Hello, with my colleagues, we are working on the impact of compositional biases on the 3D organization of genomes. To start, our model is that colocalized genes in the nucleus share the same compositional biases. Then our model is that colocalized genes are regulated by the same transcription factors. Next, we show that colocalized genes produce compositionally biased RNAs. Afterward, in a similar way to transcription factors, our data supports that compositionally biased RNAs are processed by the same splicing factors. Then our data suggests that compositionally biased RNAs produce compositionally biased proteins that share the same physicochemical properties. Finally, we reveal that colocalized genes produce proteins that share the same cellular space. In conclusion, our model suggests that there is a link between the compositional biases of genes, RNAs, proteins, and with this impact their different physical chemical properties and localization. So thank you. I am available to answer to your question. I'll give you more details.